We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Prog, and Prog has been in a downward trend. Yesterday it popped up. I stated that that was coming, but if it wasn't strong enough, we were going to go into further weakness, and it confirms everything I've been stating about the short sellers and what they've been doing and taking advantage of the days to cover. But before we break it all down here on Ultimate 42 Vision and 42 Vision itself, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. Turned out to be phenomenal and beyond expectations. Definitely a home run to not overlook, and we're going to jump right into it here with Prog. So the home run opportunity was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you want to get on early with us every single morning, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together. And no matter how volatile the markets are, we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So here are the stocks I mentioned this morning. Every single one of them gave 3 to 5%, 5 to 10%. But the home run of the day was spectacular. We caught this one in the pre-market near 343, and it took off to a high towards the bell of nearly 540, almost doubling, giving a 50% plus move. It pulled back. It was still showing strength, and it took off from $4.20 all the way up to a highest point since we mentioned it of 90% plus. The first run had 50% in it, and the next run gave nearly 40 to 50% as well. And you can see here the strength all day on 42 Vision 2.0, showing the clear trajectory of strength, and both times from the first bull indicator to the next bear indicator, and from this bull indicator to the next bear indicator. It was phenomenal. If you want to get on early with us, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and we're going to jump right into it here with these charts. So here we are with Prog, and we're going to talk about what the days to cover is showing, what the short interest is looking like, and how the shorts are putting pressure on this stock every single time they let it fly, because they're the ones covering, making retail investors jump in, creating bull traps along the way to the downside. But based off of 42 Vision, these are exciting moments, especially on the 30-minute, because what follows is usually a reversal, right? We confirmed it here, we confirmed it here, we confirmed it here and here, but usually these reversals are weaker, some are stronger than others, and this one was pretty strong, and we were anticipating it from the 29th to the 30th, and we confirmed it in yesterday's video. And I stated if you watched the video from the day before, you would have known why it was going to pop up based off of technicals and what 42 Vision was showing. Now on the 30-minute, we have gone back into further weakness, and this is an exciting point to be watching this for a possible reversal going into tomorrow, but we need to see how strong it's going to be. Those that are holding are the ones that are actually not too excited about this, but those that are looking for the next opportunity or trade, you're definitely going to want to watch this very closely. So let's talk about here the days to cover and what's going on, because it is going higher. Okay, this was lower, and the lower this is, the more flexibility the shorts have, but it's going higher. The higher this gets, the more pressure it could put on the shorts, and we're going to look at in the whole entire chart some key levels. Short interest is nearly almost at 20%. That is pretty high, and the short volume per day is 53% as of yesterday going to today. And you can see here the short shares availability. This keeps going up and down. That's how you know they're covering. That's how you know they're taking advantage of the days to cover, even though it's going higher, because it is still pretty low, to go ahead, make it go up, make it go back down, and continue to manipulate the price action within the chart. So it's super important to realize this. Those days to cover gives them that advantage. And also we have had confirmations here through 42 Vision, Ultimate 42 Vision, showing the shifts, right? It had a bull indicator here on the 30-minute. We started to see that bear one here on the 30-minute as well. Things have shifted, and it's been under a bear indicator since in that 30-minute. Now, the other confirmation we had was the 4 hour. Okay, this is super important because we have seen it since way up here in the 480s. It went back up and it's gone back down. And I stated to you guys how powerful this is because even though the volatility brought it up, it had a clear specific level that was met that actually stated it is bearish, and it's been under a bearish indicator for the 4 hour since then. Okay, the longer the time frame, the bigger the picture, and this has been bearish since then. Now, I did state that we had something exciting going on down here, that this could try to reverse. It did do that. It lasted for a very short amount of time, and that was just yesterday, and it tried to reverse, but it wasn't strong enough, and here we are going even more bearish, and this needed to go ahead and reverse and have another bull indicator eventually come up to bring it up. Based off the 4 hour, this is an extreme weakness, and it's going to continue to get weaker if it doesn't shift on the 4 hour, and if the 30-minute does not come back up with strength like we saw here or like we saw way back here. Now, the extra confirmation and layer of confirmation is 42 Vision 2.0. If you look at it, this has been a clear trajectory since up here at the 480s, just like the 4 hour. It has shifted right into weakness since way up here, tried coming back up, straight weakness since those bear indicators, and the bull indicators have been short-lived. And this was the slightest amount of green you can see here on 42 Vision 2.0. And if I go ahead and remove here 42 Vision itself, you will see that this has been more red than green throughout this whole entire trajectory, right? That was a little bit of green, that's the next red, and it's been red since then. So I need you guys to understand that clarity in the charts is so important, and as the market continues to get more volatile, you're going to want this clarity, okay? And on the 1 day, we have also together confirmed this has been red. It is not shifting, it is not reversing, it has been to the downtrend all these days. So could this stock explode? This is where it gets interesting. This is where I want you guys to realize something, okay? Days to cover is going up. The higher this goes, the more pressure the shorts can feel and get trapped. The higher this goes, the bigger the explosion, because 20% is pretty high in short interest, 18% is as well, and also there isn't much short shares available, so they can actually max it out. And eventually, if the bulls realize this and take advantage of it, they could get trapped. And the last time it exploded was around these levels. Okay, I need you guys to realize we're in the 270s. Last time in the 270s to 290s, this took off like you see here, and worst case scenario down here in the 220s. So anywhere between 270s and 220s are some key levels I'm going to be watching to see if the bulls reappear and trap the shorts, force them to cover to turn from bears to bulls. But if this breaks through the 220s, this could be on its way to further weakness. So super important to keep that in mind. If you guys want to receive clarity in the charts like no other through the volatility of the markets, check out the link down below. You'll gain access to the daily watch list, weekly watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together. And you'll be able to maximize based off the charts and what they're showing. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.